Sitting beside me while I'm eating. You like to eat sweet potato? I'm eating some sweet potato. You don't eat sweet potato, Ming Ming. Are you hungry also? Are you crying? You want to say Merry Christmas? When clean your eyes? What is that? don't show to the audience that you're crying. They might think that I will make you cry. Huh? Ming Ming, we're steering our chair. You like to watch us eating, but you don't eat our food. Huh? Are you lonely, boy? You don't like that. You don't like the sweet potato, are you? Oi, Ming Ming. You're getting old, Ming. Are you getting old and cold and covered with mold? Say to everyone, Happy New Year, everyone. Tiger is getting old. She was a baby before, now she's getting old. But you know, a cat will feel that she's like a baby when he live, he grew up in your house, and it seems that I'm her mother. She always sit where I'm sitting, and that's my chair. And when I'm not there, she's sitting there. She just give me a little space, but she likes that chair. But at least I have a space to sit. Ming Ming, 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 you like to sit in my chair? Say hello to everyone. Hi everyone. Have a happy Sunday, everyone. Happy New Year also. And I'm Tiger. I'm sad, but I'm happy inside. Okay, bye-bye. Have a good day, everyone. Say, I love you, everyone. Not me. You smelling me? Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. What is that? What you're doing? No, I shower yesterday. You think I'm stink? You are just funny, Ming Ming. You look like old lady, Ming. Bye-bye.